Well, the Galaxy Note 9 is here and everyone wants to know about it. Here are the 9 things you need to know about Samsung's latest flagship. Number 9, a bigger screen, kind of. The Note 9 has a 6.4-inch screen. It's about 0.2 inches bigger than the Note 8. Number 8, more RAM and storage. The Note 9 has 6 gigabytes of RAM with 128 gigabytes of storage standard. You can also order it with up to 512 gigabytes of storage, and it has a micro SD slot, meaning you could have a 1 terabyte phone if you wanted. Number 7, better heat control. Summer heat waves and intense gaming can heat up your phone. The hotter it gets, the more the processor will throttle, so you get less out of your device. The carbon fiber heat spreaders on the Note 9 are 3 times bigger than before, so you should be able to push it harder for more time. Number 6, the headphone jack. The Note 9 is bucking the trend of ditching the headphone jack, so you can still get corded if you want to. Number 5, it's got a big battery. The 4,000 milliamp hour battery should keep you running for over 12 hours of use, making it an all-day phone. Number 4, the upgraded S Pen. Samsung has given the S Pen an upgrade. Use it as a remote shutter for taking pictures, a play-pause button for media, or for controlling PowerPoint presentations. Number 3, flaw detection. The camera knows that you've taken a bad shot and will prompt you to take another when it detects that you didn't capture the moment. Number 2, DeX mode. DeX mode lets you connect the Note 9 to a monitor so you can use it like a PC. This, plus a Bluetooth mouse and keyboard, gives you an unfair advantage in precision control games like Fortnite, plus Fortnite is coming early to Samsung devices. And finally, number 1, Android 9 is coming, but not here yet. Despite the fact that Pie is out, the Galaxy Note 9 ships with Android 8.1, with Android Pie coming at a later date. So that's the Note 9 and the 9 things you need to know. For Get Connected, I'm Mike Agerbo.